Boy, Irie Love, you know, say you never read.
Talofa.
Alright. Love you still. Love you like cook food.
Yeah.
I've been captivated ever since the first time I saw you. You were like a non-stop train on the move, taking me places I never thought I'd go to. Now I realize how much I love you. Ooh, if only I wasn't so blind, I would have you by my side. Now that we're living our separate lives, I hope that true love never passed me by. This thing about her is so beautiful, never needed more. Just like a flower, you did it all without touching the floor. It is what it is, my love. It is what it is, my
Samoa. Love you up. You warm my heart every time you hold me in your arms. Your tender love and charm. When I look into your eyes, I recognize. Without touching the floor, it is what it is, my love. It's what it is. It is what it is, my love.
Ooh-wee. Girl, your eyes, your lips, your face, your touch, down to your hips, your legs, I love so much. If loving you was wrong, girl, I don't wanna be right. I was in the dark until you showed me the light. Never did I think that I would experience something so ridiculously beautiful as you. This thing about her is so beautiful.